In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Yahoo Mail contacts. First, open Yahoo Mail. You will see a familiar layout with your inbox on display. This is where you manage your emails. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your email address and password to gain access. This step is crucial because it ensures that you can view and manage your contacts securely. Once you are in, you will feel comfortable navigating through your emails and contacts. Next, click the Contacts icon on the right side of the page. The icon typically resembles a small address book or silhouette of a person. This is an important feature as it allows you to access all your saved contacts quickly. When you click this icon, a sidebar will appear showcasing your contact list. Having easy access to your contacts is essential for efficient communication, especially if you frequently reach out to the same people. Once you click the icon, you will see the names of your contacts populate the screen. Now click All to view all saved contacts. This option is usually at the top of the sidebar that opened. By selecting All, you ensure that you can see every contact you have saved. This is important because it allows you to find a specific person or email address without missing anyone. The list will display the names and email addresses of all your saved contacts, making it easier to find what you need. Take a moment to look through the list and familiarize yourself with your contacts. Next, type a name or email address into the search bar. This bar is usually located at the top of the contacts sidebar. As you start typing, suggestions will appear based on what you enter. This feature is beneficial because it saves you time by quickly narrowing down the list. If you recall a part of the name or email, typing it in will help you find the contact faster. This step is particularly helpful if you have many contacts saved. After typing, click the contact to view their details. Once you see the contact you were searching for, simply click on their name. This will open a detailed view that includes their email address, phone number, and any notes you've saved. This information is crucial for effective communication as it ensures you have the correct details before reaching out. You will feel more confident knowing you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Now, let's open Compose. You can find this option usually at the top left of your Yahoo Mail interface. Clicking on it will open a new email window, allowing you to start a fresh message. This is an essential step as composing a new email is where you will initiate communication with your contacts. Once you click Compose, you will see a blank email ready for you to fill in. Next, click the To field in the new email window. This field is where you will enter the recipient's email address. It is crucial to ensure that you are addressing the right person. Clicking here will allow you to type or select a contact from your list. This small action is vital because it determines who will receive your message. Start typing the contact's name or email address in the To field. As you type, you will notice suggestions that pop up based on what you entered. This feature is designed to streamline the process, making it easier to select your desired contact. It saves you from typing the entire email address and reduces the risk of errors. Finally, select the contact from the suggestions. When you see the correct name appear, click on it to add them to your email. This ensures that your message will reach the intended recipient without any confusion. With this, you're set to send your email confidently. Now you have learned how to find and use your Yahoo Mail contacts effectively. This knowledge will enhance your email experience and improve your communication.